This is the hair. Hola Chanellies, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you've never been before. My name is Jayla, also known as Jay Chanelli on the internet, so that is where you can find and follow me. I'm coming to you guys today with another Amazon wig review. So if you want to see it, go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so this wig was actually sent to me by Beyond Beauty, which is a hair company on Amazon. They actually also sent me the spring twist hair that I use in my tutorial. If you haven't already seen my spring twist tutorial, go ahead and watch it. I think it's in that 33,000 views, which is great for me, so shout out to y'all for that. They sent me this wig. I'm going to go ahead and look at it and review it now. I haven't even opened it. This is the package that it came in, and it is described as a long wavy lace front glueless synthetic black color lace front wig for women, 24-inch black. Anyways, let's get to the goods. So this is what the wig is looking like so far. First impressions is I love how long it is. It's beautiful. And let me show you the interior of the cap. This is what we look like in the interior. Let's look at this hairline, child. The hairline is looking pretty dense. She is definitely gonna need to be plucked. So this is what the parting space is looking like. So that's what she looks like straight out of the box. Am I gonna put her on straight out of the box? I'm gonna do it just for y'all. So first impressions is this is a small wig cap. I got a small head and it is fitting quite snug. So if you got a big head, shawty, but this length, this thickness, like I feel like this is a good amount of hair. It doesn't look thin at all. And 24 inches, girl. Let's see where 24 inches hits me. Yes. You know I gotta walk around the back so y'all can see. So this is where the wig hits me, 24 inches. Essentially, the top of my non-existent butt. She's nice and lengthy. That's a plus. So if you were in a super duper rush when you got this wig, you could just like part it down the middle a little bit and let it hang so that nobody could see the hairline. And you can get away with wearing it like this. We're not gonna wear it like this, so I'm gonna take this off and we're gonna pluck this hairline, make it look a little bit more realistic, probably cut at some baby hairs and finesse the situation, and then I'll show y'all what it looks like afterwards. So stay tuned. Okay, so that's over, that's canceled. I plucked as much as I could, but y'all make it look a lot easier on YouTube than it is in real life. So we're just gonna put this wig on and try to finesse it the way it is.
One thing I wanted to mention really quickly is you see that my baby hairs are sticking out from underneath the lace. So there's no way I would be able to glue this wig down without ripping out my baby hairs. So, yeah.
Again, we're going to do a tuck action because that hairline, honey, she needs work. So I would say this wig would be perfect for you if A, you don't care about hairlines and you are about that tuck action, that tuck life. Or B, if you are really adamant and really good at plucking hairlines and thinning out hairlines, I would definitely get this wig. I don't know if the wig tangles, but it's definitely hard to part the wig. You will get tangles if you're trying to part the wig, just because you're essentially pulling loose those waves, those curls, and you do get tangles from doing that. So this is a type of wig that you don't touch often. You don't try to like, well, I can run my hands through it actually, but when you're parting, you just have to be very careful. I'm not gonna add anything. Like, I know last time I did a heat test, I don't really want to do a heat test on a synthetic wig because I'm sure it's not going to recurl, but I'm not going to straighten it because I do like the texture of this hair and I want to keep it this way. We can add some water to it though. So this is how much hair I lost just by running my hands through my hair while I was doing that. And this is what we look like. Slightly wet. It's literally giving you a water wave effect. I might come back to y'all tomorrow to show you what it looks like. Y'all, so I'm back. This is day 2 of me wearing this wig. I had a couple of qualms with the wig that I talked about yesterday that I wanted to touch on today. Firstly, the hairline. I tried to cut some baby hairs on this wig and I realized that I'm not that talented. So, and the second thing that I wanted to talk about was that I had some flyaways yesterday up here. I had some little hairs that were sticking up, and the way that I remedied that was some good old spritz. I took me some Pump It Up spritz. I sprayed the very top of the wig and I just went ahead and laid it down with my hands. So I would recommend that if you do have some short little flyaways. And yeah, that's all I wanted to say. That's what I want to pop in and say. Okay, back to the other clips. So yeah, y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you enjoy these hair videos, if you enjoy the videos that I'm giving you, the looks that I'm giving you. Subscribe to the channel, okay? And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.